SMCI stock analysis and SMCI stock prediction for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question. Covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Looking as the only guy in this space has done 42,000 videos actually doing them in over 5 years that it's taken me. I've seen what's making me money and what is not. Especially now, I mean, well, yeah, I do have my bullish bias set up here, but does it mean that I'm immediately buying? Well, obviously not. The last 4 trades that I took have been 2 wins and 2 losses. Plus 4R, plus 3R, and then just 2 minus 1 Rs. That's like plus 5R combined. Unironically, like I was expecting a double break, didn't get it, which is, I mean, totally fine if you ask me. I mean, personally speaking, I saw a little nudge over the bridge here, not enough. And the only thing that I care about is if the price pulls down and then gives me a double break. And if that's not the case, of course, I'm not gonna buy. Very simple. You know, I do have like a lot of waitings. I'm just waiting here, you know, and SMCI specifically, I do have around 72 results popping up in the trade alert section. So still very open-minded for longs. I'm just not going to immediately buy. That's the thing. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get more premium.